The first problem that we have encountered taking a look at our styles here is that currently our custom style sheet does not display. How do I know this? Right now I'm taking a look at the index.php that appears in the root of my website. I've hooked this up to Dreamweaver. I'm looking at this in live mode. If I switch over to the custom.css style sheet by clicking on it, it tells me that custom.css is not on the local disk and to get it, which is a bad thing. Because, of course, we know that custom.css is indeed on the local disk. You can see it over there in the file structure. It's just that it can't be accessed from this page. And in fact, if you take a look at the front end of the website here inside of Joomla, and you use the Web Developer toolbar to edit CSS, and you switch to the custom.css tab here, the error that you'll see here is a 404 page not found error. So that's a pretty good indication that we have some problem hooking up our style sheet to our web page. So let's go ahead and fix that problem. I'm here inside of Dreamweaver. The first thing I need to do is make sure I'm looking at the index.php associated with my Kinetico template. That is what I'm looking at here. Now I'm going to scroll on down to where I can find my link to CSS. And as I mentioned to you before, we fixed these URLs here for the images for the website in a previous video because the Dreamweaver generated paths when we built the page out in just static HTML using Dreamweaver, those paths work great in Dreamweaver, but they don't work inside of Joomla. And likewise, this path here to our custom style sheet is incorrect. So I can fix this here on line 22 simply by saying templates / Kinetico / CSS / custom.css. That is the correct path to the style sheet. So now that I've made this change, if I go ahead and say File Save, and now if I go to my Firefox web browser here and I hit refresh, you can see that the little edits that I made in the previous video showing you other alternative workflows have taken effect. We now have a red background with yellow text. It looks absolutely hideous. We're definitely going to need to fix that because, of course, that's not what was intended at all. And I will show you how to fix that in the next video.